If you want to collect signups for events, courses, or services, a registration form is exactly what you need. In this guide, I'll show you how to create registration forms in Tally step by step. First, log into your Tally account and click New Form to start building your registration form. Now add the essential fields like full name, email address, phone number, and any other details you need from participants. If you're collecting registrations for an event, include details like event name, date, or ticket type using multiple choice or drop-down fields. To ensure complete registrations, mark important fields like name and email as required. If you have different registration types, you can use conditional logic to show specific questions based on user selection. You can customize your registration form with headings, descriptions, and branding to make it look more professional. After submission, show a confirmation or thank you message so users know their registration is successful. Before publishing, preview your form to make sure everything looks correct on both mobile and desktop. Once everything is ready, click Publish. You can now share your registration form via link, email, or embed it on your website. After people start signing up, you can view all registrations in real time from your Tally dashboard. And that's how to create registration forms in Tally Forms. So once your form is live, collecting signups becomes fast and organized. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next guide.